Hi! I am Toto! Welcome to Star Kids TV! A is for apple, so red and sweet. B is for butterfly, flying in the heat. C is for cat, meowing at the park. D is for duck, quacking until dark. E is for egg, in a nest so high. F is for fish, jumping to the sky. G is for grapes, hanging on the vine. H is for hat, looking very fine. I for ice cream, cold and yummy too. J for joker, laughing just for you. K for kite, flying way up high. L for lion, under the park's blue sky. M is for mom, with a hug so tight. N is for nest, tucked out of sight. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, making a sound. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R for rainbow, colors so bright. S for sun, giving us light. T for treasure, hidden away. U for umbrella on a rainy day. V for van, driving all day. W for watch, telling the time. X for xylophone, making a chime. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra, the coolest in town. Now we know our
Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe!